steering wheel on a building, I want to give you the safety spiel. Remain seated, keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, children inside. Watch out for raindrops. Welcome to the welcome to the Amazon Nile. It rains all the time. This case thought it was all fun and great games. There's your first sign of danger. Commanding fog. Exclamation point, all caps. Stop yelling at me. Indiana Jones is right over there. I don't know why he's looking for treasure in the temple. The treasure's right here. Daughter called me adorable the other day, and I'm still swinging with that. Welcome to an ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian shriners. There's an indoor Chinese tiger, which is funny because he's outdoors. Has to be snakes. You know there's got to be a few snakes around. I'd watch out for Ginger. She snaps. She's a tough cookie. Alright, let's leave that Shriner Temple behind and come out onto the ancient Indian elephant burial ground. You can tell they're ancient by the wrinkles, just in case people tell you that the jungle's full of alligators. That's a croc. Here's the backside of an elephant right there. I hope you took your pictures because they're wearing trunks. Say goodbye to little Squirt. Say goodbye. Say hello to Big Squirt. Look at that. Uh-oh. Birthday. I didn't get a present, so guess what? You get air. There you go. Oh man, denied. Let's see what's going on up ahead. Holy cow! Dude, it's an explosion of fun. Let's dangerous. Let's see what's going on. Oh, there's a monkey with a gun. Isn't that special? It's 38 special is what it is. Oh, it's a 38. How we doing in the back of the boat? We doing all right? Did you guys see that cantaloupe there? Because you cantaloupe without a ladder. Thank you. Your drones only make me stronger. Hope nobody's wearing yellow. That guy does not like my banana jokes. Oh my goodness, there's the backside of what? Let's go over that later. Welcome to the African Nile. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. There's an African bull elephant. You know what? You don't see those every day. In fact, you hardly ever see them. They come out into the daylight, and you're never going to see another one. And there's one right there. Take pictures. I need some folks. I don't have a camera with me, but you're never going to see another one just like that. That is pretty awesome. I hear him. I hear it. Okay. Welcome to the belt, folks. They've got giraffes and zebras and some good canoes and bad canoes. In case we've got kids on board, that's how lions sing the zebra to sleep. Hey, and that's what answers the burning question. Brand new skippers and scientists, they have created performance art. It's so good, I'm sorry. Welcome to a very dangerous hippopotamus pond. They're usually very calm and gentle. They are angry and oh my goodness, we're going to try and skate through as fast as we can. There we go. I got to fire the gun twice. Hold on to your ears, guys. Hold on to your ears. There we go. That was right. Green. You guys know how to make a hippo float? 2 scoops of vanilla and a whole lot of root beer. Well, I was told that my job is so simple, even a monkey can do it. Funny thing is, those are chimpanzees. And once again, I just don't get modern art. I'd like to find out what those butterflies are. I don't know, he's scared stiff of something. What's going on up ahead? You've heard about it. You've had your parents talk about it. It's time for you to enjoy the fun. We're going to say it out loud, say it proud. It's the
backside of water.
Yay! Oh, 2 Sciencey Skipper Steven. Welcome to the Piranha Pond. A lot of skippers just pass this limestone line and they just take it for granted. We're in the Piranha Pond. I try not to disturb them during December because that's when they celebrate Piranha. And we got some dangerous bubbles here. Don't reach in, kids. Those are Piranha bubbles right there. They will take your hand right off. Had a teacher reach in the other day and now he's teaching shorthand. Poor Dave. Like we've got a snake in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, and then no phone calls. Then they just want you to help them move. Yeah, I like friends. They're awesome. Well, how about that? Another attraction that ends in a gift shop. Pretty awesome, isn't it? It's so awesome, we're just going to stay right here. I often feel like those 2 green eyes are judging me. You need to lose weight. You should shave better. Almost fruitcake time. Alright. Well, I didn't want to scare you, but you guys should pass the most dangerous turn in the river. Return to civilization. You guys survived. A big round of applause for yourself. Oh, we're going into 2. Here we go. Remain seated. Keep your hands on seat legs and children inside the vehicle. We don't want you to... Yeah, here we go. Do not get your hands between the boat and the dock. That would hurt my feelings. And I didn't bring my paperwork pen either, you know. Remain seated. Here we go. We're almost there. We're almost there. Thanks for being with me, folks. Everybody up and out. Backside will help you out.
Thank
Water
you.
side will help you out. Hey, thank you very much for being here. You guys have a great day.
Thank you.
Watch your head, watch your step. Now a joke for all your mind readers. Did you get penguins? Okay.